Welcome to a room tour at the Corando, and this is room 8953, and we are staying within the Cabanas Pavilion. This room comes with 2 queen beds, as you can see. It also has a chair for you to be able to sit in. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Television, as well as a coffee maker, nice little Keurig there. And of course they have the amenities for ice. And this is the bathroom. First, let's talk about these beautiful doors. Aren't they gorgeous? And the vanity area has 2 sinks. And then we pan left here, and we have, of course, the bathroom, the toilet, and there's a shower with a tub, which is always nice, especially if you have little kids. And this would be the closet space. Very nice. Very quick room tour. One thing that I do love within this room would be that ceiling fan. That's a win-win, right? So this is a part of the moderate collection for Walt Disney World Resorts. And look at the beautiful theming on the wall. Of course, it goes back to the theming would be Mexico. Again, this is at the Coronado, the Cabanas area, and this is room 8953. So if you're interested in booking, feel free to check this out. Also outside, which is just wonderful, there is a Cabanas beach area. Look at that. So you can step out, that beautiful view. Go down and just relax in the sun a little bit. Take a chill on the hammocks. Just beautiful. Again, this is the Walt Disney World Resort, the Grand Coronado, room 8953, 2 queen beds. Has a ceiling fan in the room, and of course it has your standard accommodations for your bathroom. All right guys, this is Miss Johnny. Catch you next time.